Hello. Now this is a question which actually came in JEE 2018 Advance, and it is about stereoisomerism. It says that for a compound X, the total number of optically active stereoisomers is, and they have mentioned that when you have this wedge kind of a structure, this means that the configuration is fixed. You cannot alter it. But when you have something like zigzag like a bond, which means you can alter it. You can make it above the plane, below the plane, cis or trans accordingly, right? Now, how do we solve it? Now we understand that there would be two type of student watching this video. One who have done a course on permutation combinations, and they should not do it by drawing the molecules and so on. They can use the concept of permutation combination to get the answer in no time. Now we know that this is a optical center, this is a geometrical center, this is a optical center. So total would be 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 8. Out of that, but we have to find optically active, which means there should be no element of symmetry. Out of that, there would be one configuration where this bond is outside and this bond is also outside. So minus that. So 8 minus 1, that should be equal to 7. So it should happen in no time. Second, now those who have not done a course on permutation combination, now they should be doing it by drawing the molecule. They only should be doing it by drawing the molecule, right? So draw all the possibilities. So if you draw all the possibilities, you will see that theoretically there are 8 possibilities. Out of that, the first one is optically inactive because of element of symmetry. So you have to neglect that. The remaining possibilities, as you can see, are 7, right? So answer for this question would be 7, right?